The biggity bulls are out there again. What's going on, everyone? Jeremy Hritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. Happy Monday, January 5th, 2026. Here we go. What a fun day of trading that it's been so far. And check this out. I did not trade the open today because I did my first Ironman swim workout today. I am training for an Ironman right now. It's not until September, so I have time, and I have zero pool experience. I could stay afloat, that's it. So I was in the pool this morning swimming terribly, and so that's where I was. So I didn't really get to catch those opening moves, though I did grab some shares of MSTR pre-market and rode a little bit of that move, deciding on whether or not I'm going to hold or empty those out today. But bulls are running things today, and the SPX at one point was up 55 points. Because I'm driving, I don't know where it's at right now. Bitcoin finally getting some love, pushing. However, as we know, and we talked about here for quite some time, it's had these moves but has not been able to hold them, to sustain them. That's what we need to see happen if we're going to see some bounce continue in the crypto space. And Bitcoin was up about 2,500 points earlier today. It's about 1153 right now. It's down to about 2,100 points up. So I'm gonna monitor that, see how that's gonna play out. But like I talked about in the Sunday setup, I was looking at crypto related tickers like CRCL, MSTR, MARA, Coin, and if they could have some nice moves because they've been beaten up, and they did. They really had some nice pushes. And those moves could just be getting started if crypto wants to actually run and push. Remember, Bitcoin hit $126,000 in October. It hasn't been above $100,000 in quite some time. The high that it was trading at today, around 93,000. So lots and lots of room to the upside. That 100-day simple moving average is up around 99,000 and some change. So this thing could really move, and those crypto related stocks can move as well. So keep an eye on them. In other news, we did get ISM Manufacturing PMI. That came through, was pretty much in alignment with what was anticipated. And we're going to get more data this week because things are settling into more of a normalized routine since that government shutdown ended. So that's a positive. But also keep in mind, and I have to check this out and I have to research it. And maybe one of you know out there in the audience, you can put it in the comments. But I do think that there's another date looming here at the end of the month where some type of agreement has to be achieved, or there'll be another shutdown. So keep that in mind, because that could put some more pressure on the markets to the downside. So we'll see there. But yeah, other than that, things are just ripping higher. We're pushing up across the board. Again, we could see it flip in a moment's notice. We don't know yet what's going to happen, but the bulls, the biggity bulls, are enjoying the second trading day here of January, and let's see if they want to continue to push that higher. One last thing I will mention is earnings are really going to heat up next week with the big banks that are going to start reporting, and then we're going to get Netflix, I believe, on the 20th, and then we're going to get the Mag 9 reporting. Oh man, and that's what I'm waiting for. I'm really watching. I think that's probably the catalyst to push this market to 7,000, and then my target date, middle of February, be completely flat, because I think at that point is when we start seeing some downside movement and a correction, if not more than that. Mini bear market potentially. So that's what that's what I got for you today. Man, you should have seen that swim workout. It was horrible. It was horrible. I was out there, I'm like, man, people are probably looking at me like, what is this dude doing? But then I reminded myself, I'm like, hey, this is the first swim workout, right? How great is it gonna feel 9 months from now when I'm like, man, I remember that first swim workout, how terrible it was, how far I came. A lot of it really applies to trading too. If you're just starting out trading and investing, you know, you're not gonna know what the hell you're doing when you start out, but if you keep at it, you keep practicing, you keep getting those reps in, you're gonna get better over time. So just got to keep pushing. So that was swim workout number 1. Got to get a lift in. I got to run today. So it's 3 workouts today for Ironman. And let's go. And also got to rep the Steelers. You guys know I'm a huge Steelers fan. They got a miraculous victory last night. Missed field goal by the Baltimore Ratbirds that sealed it for the Steelers. And now they are moving on. They play a very, very tough Houston Texans team Monday night next week. Playoff game number 1 in Pittsburgh. I'm excited, win or lose. I'm just happy my team is still alive. And with that said, make it a great day. Honor the moment. And as always, be grateful. And I'll see many of you tonight. Finally, it's here in the New Year Wealth Accelerator. Take care, everyone.